Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can view all of the friend requests that you have sent from your particular account. So if you want to find out all of the friend requests that you have sent from your account, simply click on the second tab, which is the Friends tab in your Facebook account. Then here you can see that it shows you the friend requests option and your friends option. But the friend request option elaborates all of those requests which we have received but not we have sent, and the your friends option elaborates all of those friends which have already been added to your account. So in order to find all of those friend requests that you have sent from your account, what you need to do is simply click this friend request option right here. Once you have clicked here, you can see that I have not received any friend requests, but here you can see that there is a vertical dots at the top corner of the screen. Simply click here and it will give you the option to view the send requests. Simply click on the send requests button and here you can see that all of the friend requests that I have sent is now being displayed here. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.